Thin slice. Thin slices.
Oh, I know, but it doesn't go like you know.
Chris is like that.
Wait.
Oh, okay.
What's inside?
I don't know. I don't know. It's you know.
That's what it says. Just says.
You can start putting little slices on.
Oh, okay.
Wait, trying to be. It looks like it has.
Do you see that eye there? Do you see that?
What kind of? Whoa, whoa, whoa! What's in here? There's something crazy. Oh, there's a little slice. Oh, there's something pink in there. Oh my gosh.
Wait.
What in the world is that thing? Okay.
Why are you shaking?
I don't know. Oh my god, there's something blue in there.
What?
Oh my gosh.
What is it?
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. What are these? Okay, wait. All right, hold on.
Cake though. Wait, there's a
Wait, that's a.
Oh, okay. And then there's something here. All right, hold on.
There's 2 eggs.
Oh my, okay.
Twins?
You're having, no, you're not. Oh my god, are you having twins?
No. So what this is, these are clues for the pink team and the blue team.
I'm the pink team.
You have to open them at the same
Okay,
time.
so gather around. All right.
So gather into your teams.
All right. I'm not going big. Can I eat this?
Alright, we're over here.
Who's the captain of the pink team and the blue team? Allison.
I'm having. All right.
Your only should be
Blue team over here.
Your only should be
I'm videotaping.
Pink team.
Okay.
I wanted to eat cake. Here, can you put this over there with my cake?
Forget the
Have
cake.
you ever seen people care less about cake?
Yeah.
All right. This is a scavenger hunt.
Who's your blue team? Your blue team over there.
A scavenger hunt, which will take you to a series of clues, and at the end you will find the answer.
Can I have a napkin?
What?
Pepper? The blue team.
Over here with us.
Hold on, first I need a napkin. Mine's messier. I need a. Hold on.
Girls over here.
Oh my god.
Look at all the boys over there.
Wait.
There's the blue team.
So funny.
Wait. Okay,
And this is
wait. No, tell us when.
Team pink.
And then.
Wait.
Come on, Team Pink.
Alright,
Come
here.
It's all dirty.
Okay, come on, guys.
Okay.
Oh yeah, you open it and then I pull out. Read.
There's a clue inside.
Say,
here.
I remember.
Marks. Get set. Go.
Hold on, what it is.
I'll help you guys since there's not as many.
Okay. Hopefully my mommy doesn't
What's it
leave
say?
her twin to babysit me. She loves to sing me lullabies, but she's always so flat. Okay, hopefully my mommy doesn't leave her twin to babysit me. Oh my god, she loves to sing, but she loves, but she doesn't know. God, that thing downstairs, go! Where'd it go? Okay, fine, guys. Come on, pink team. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's hope my parents keep me better hydrated than these 4. Not so green friends.
Picture of 4 cousins.
Green friends.
What?
4 cousins. What?
Plants.
Where are plants?
Hydrated plants.
Where are plants? Where are plants? Run, team, run. Run, big team.
Come on, Liam.
Are they here?
Stay down here.
Oh, we're on a scavenger hunt.
For my parents to pee. What?
Okay, what is it? What is it?
This one's called many cards. Wait,
Nothing.
you here? Yeah. Okay, ready? Okay.
Are you saving these?
What are you looking at? What's your
This kitchen gadget will aid in making my future birthday cakes. Go, run. My future birthday cakes. Get it. Where's the cake?
I got it.
It will be better.
What are the boys doing
This is
here?
where my nanny will likely scrap me while in her quarters. Like she's.
Just when you thought it was going to be boring, huh? Not at all. Are you guys getting anywhere?
1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish. This is where I'll store all the books I wish. Bookshelf. You have a bookshelf?
Hold on, buddy. Bookshelf where
Up the stairs to the second floor.
What room is it in?
That's the nanny room. Well, she said maybe she would use it. No, you were right there.
The nanny room's the blue room.
I know, but then she said today, you're tricky. It's right in front of you. There! Ah! No, you're not. You're not. You're not. He's not pink. Yeah, here. No, he's not pink.
Let's go for a spin with all my new onesies, bootsies, and bibs. Spin?
Spin. Bike?
Does she have a bike? She doesn't have a bike at the garage? Does she have a bike at the garage?
What's a spin? Oh!
Over there!
How about the spinner?
Washing machine.
The washing machine. Oh!
I said that out loud! The washing machine!
It could be a salad spinner. Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! No! No! What is it?
What is it? What is it? I don't know. It's a girl.
It's a girl!
Is it a girl?
Congratulations.
It's a girl!
Where? Let me see.
Oh my god!
Let me see. How do you know?
Oh my god.
That looks like a dinosaur. Wait a minute.
It says it's a girl. Oh, the trick is
It's
a girl.
I'm not focusing. Okay, it's a girl. Oh my god.
Sebastian, it's a girl. You're right.
Oh, Lisa, I'm so happy.
Don't tell people. You picked the right one.
I'm so happy.
Wait, do they know down there?
Huh?
Do they not know?
You're gonna have a girl cousin.
I want to lose.
Yeah, you're gonna have a girl cousin.
But I will lose.
You lose?
Yeah, and I got some eggs.
Oh, that's okay. You still get a girl cousin.
We got there at the same time.
Are you excited, Sebastian?
But because of